Yeah, hello everybody. I'm very happy today to be with you and to explain of how to use the standard of the Tetra Pillars presentation. As you know, Tetra Pillars has many regulations and many policies. That's why for the presentation there is a kind of very structured presentation to be used. The first slide of the presentation must be like this. The main topic on the top, subtopic, and date of the course. The main topic, for example, if you have a topic about marketing, so you put marketing here, but specifically marketing in something, for example, marketing communication, then the subtopic will be marketing communication or just communication, and the date of the course should be written there. The other slides, the second part will be about the content, or the main content of your slide should be written here. For example, content, course regulation, introduction for the persons, first evaluation, or something like this. This is just for example. And a very important part here, part name, it means that when you write here something about something, so the part name will be the name or the words that you have used here. Yeah, next slide. And here it is very important to be written as what is Tetra Pillars. So it means that the third slide should be about the definition of Tetra Pillars as a company and Tetra Pillars Middle East as a department. So you are coming to your subject. The part name, as we say, that it is the name or the words that you used in the content, and the boxes and the colors you can just copy and paste the text and put it here, yeah, in the boxes. And the colors, you can change the color that be very suitable with your topic. So there is okay another type of boxes, such as a big boxes, a rectangle, and you can just copy paste the content of your topic and paste it here in these boxes. Or when you have a text with the table, you can use this type or this form of the slide. Or if you have another topic, you can use these colors and you can just copy paste your topic here. And if you have a text with a picture, so you can use this one. You can copy your content or your text or write down in this box and change this picture, but should be similar to this form of this slide. Or you can use the picture at the first time, then to write down or to copy paste your content or your text in the box. And at the end you should mention your personality, who are you, a title, A title means that if you have a doctor or if you have a master, you can just write down your title here and your name, education level, for example, if you have PhD or if you have a master degree or a bachelor. So just write down your education level and year of experience. How many years okay, have you experienced in this field? It is very important. And the picture of this woman, you can just change this picture with your picture. And a picture should be like this, a kind of smile and a white or a very clear gray background. It is very important. And okay, a kind of a suitable clothes will be very good. And the slide before the end comes, and this is okay, already prepared. Thanks for your kind attention. And this is the last slide. You are doing nothing here, just put or use or change the other slides. This is the end of the course. Thank you for your kind attention. Bye.